just crushed your workout. But here's the truth. The next 30 minutes determines if you keep those gains or throw them away. Let me show you the exact meal. Right now, your muscles are primed. This is the golden rule. Miss this. Studies show you lose up to 40% of potential muscle recovery. But most people don't know what to eat. I tested this meal for 3 months. Simple. Science-backed. Takes 3 minutes to make. No supplements. Just real food. First, fast-absorbing protein. 35 to 40 grams. Why? Your muscles need amino acids now, not later. Best options. Chicken breast, 31 grams protein. Super late. Eggs, 3 whole, 18 grams. Cheap, accessible. Wheat yogurt, 20 grams per cup. Plus probiotics. Pick one. You'll hit your protein target instantly. Next, fast carbs. Not the ground pasta. Your glycogen is empty after training. You need quick carbs to refill it. Best options. One price, 45 grams per cup. Banana. One banana is 27 grams carbs. Pasta, fine pasta, 40 grams per serving. Why the brandiness? Too slow to digest post-workout. You want the spike now. Veggies. Keep it simple. Avocado, spinach, peppers, tomatoes. Why? Antioxidants reduce inflammation. Speed recovery. But here's what most miss. Hydration. Drink water. Water, coconut water, or electric drink. Dehydration kills recovery. Watch how fast this is. Protein here. Carbs here. Veggies here. Boom. Done in 180 seconds. See? No excuses. This is what recovery looks like. Fresh, delicious, exactly what your body needs. Your muscles are growing right now as you eat this. You earned it. The breakdown. Protein, 35 grams for repair. Carbs, 45 grams for energy. Fat, naturally from your protein. Total, 280 calories. This is the science of recovery. Make this your routine. Eat within 30 minutes. Consistently. Your recovery will skyrocket. Like this, subscribe, turn on notifications. Next video, pre-workout meal. Equally important. Let's go.